Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, March 25th, and this is my recap of the top 8 videos of the day. And gold versus the dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on gold, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So gold did make a pretty decent push up today. So far it is 1, 2, 3 waves up. Most of the other dollar pairs do look like they're in a wave A, so I do think that this is a wave A, even though it's 3 waves up. Maybe it's actually going to turn into maybe a WXY pattern, like 3 waves up would be a W, maybe 3 waves down for a wave X, and I bet this is going to push up again for either a 5-way pattern, which would actually be a flat, like an ABC flat, or maybe it will make a 3-way pattern up, and this will end up being like a WXY. I still think that the trend is down. I still think it's most likely just going to go up to a filler level and most likely just keep on trending down. So I'm definitely primarily looking for shorts overall, but if you do get a nice 3-way pattern to the downside and nice impulsive move up, you could definitely go long, trade it to the long side, wait for a Fibonacci bounce, which really could happen in any one of them. I think that it needs to take out the high of wave 4, so probably the 50 or even the 61.8 would be the most likely areas for this to end the correction and probably end up continuing back down. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to check out my new website linked down here in the corner. As always, thanks and happy trading.